Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you mark a message as unread into your Google Chat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your chat application. And now after opening the chat application, in order to mark a message as unread, you just simply have to select the profile of the person who you want to mark as unread. In my case, I'm selecting this chat of mine, and then I'll get the option of mark as unread at the very top. Tap into mark as unread, and then the message will successfully be marked as unread into your Google Chat. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.